G'day RPG makers, welcome to the RPG Maker MV Game Dev channel. Let's make a game.
Let's continue on with RPG Maker MV official tutorial walkthrough. We're going to go on to step 18, creating an ending. We'll load up our project. Now, we're going to add background music to the maps as well. So, on the top row of the map tree view, select New. Enter the map name as Ending. Click Auto Play Background Music. Check the file name, pick something that's fitting for an ending. Let's click Theme 2. You can listen. Don't forget to stop it, otherwise it just keeps playing when you close this window. Click OK. Click OK. Here's our map. Let's make an ending for when the boss is defeated, an event. So, find the boss event at 34.6 and double click. Switch to the Page 2 tab. Set the trigger to Auto Run. Double click the first line under Contents. Page 2. Fade out screen. Double click the next line. Change transparency. That changes the character transparency. Transparency is set to on, so the character will become invisible. Double click the next line. Transfer player. Set fade to none, because we've already set a fade out screen. And we're going to change the location to the ending map. Put them right in the map, right in the middle. Click OK. Click OK. Next, we'll take over with the ending screen. Select Ending. Create an event. Anywhere is fine, but in this tutorial we use the top left. Double click. Enter the name as Ending. Set the trigger to Auto Run. So as soon as we land on this map, after we've been transferred here, so we beat the boss, we get transferred here, and this will run. Click Fade In screen, otherwise it's just going to stay black. Next we'll make something like a credit roll. Double click the next line. Click the tab and open page 1. Click Show Scrolling Text. Okay. Harold and allies defeated the boss and restored peace. Happily ever after. Development staff, RPG Maker MV Game Dev channel. Click OK and set the credit roll. We'll show the end at the end. Double click the next line, click Show Text, set the window position to middle, set the background to transparent, so there won't be a window frame, slash, curly brackets, slash, curly brackets, slash, curly brackets, with some spaces in the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the end. Click OK. Afterwards we'll return to the title screen. Page 3. Turn to title screen. Okay, so we can select multiple lines. Right click. Select Test. Harold allies defeated the boss and restored peace happily ever after. Development staff, RPG Maker MV Game Dev channel. Clicking will speed that up. Clicking and holding, the end, and fade to title screen. Next we'll select the range of lines, click on Text S, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on Text. Right click and select Test. Okay. Click OK and set the event. Now, usually place test here, but beating the boss again is a nuisance that takes time, so this time we use a temporary trick for debugging, different from last time. Please open the database. Click the Troops tab. Select number 3, Boss Orc. We use a battle event to make the battle start and end simultaneously. So we've already set this up last time actually, but click Conditions, click Turn, 0, 0, click OK. Describe the event so the battle ends instantly, double click the first line, click Change Enemy State, Entire Troop, Add Knockout. Okay, apply, and we'll just get rid of that because we don't need 2 lots. Battle test, click OK. Okay. Save the project. Start a playtest. Come far. And here we are at the end. The end. Back to the beginning. Right. Let's delete the debug event we created. We'll click the database, click the battle event condition, remove the check from turn. Now the battle won't. Okay. This time we just barely touched on battle events, but it's possible to use them in more complex ways. Click OK. So if you need to set it up again, you just click Don't Run, click and then change that to turn 0. So we'll just put it back again because we're going to be using it for a while. Click OK. Next we'll return the player to the starting position. Place the player at the town entrance, find the coordinates 1936, set starting position player, town entrance zone, select starting position player. Yes, we did that. Whoops. Okay, we've got a short game. We're going to put some background music on every map. This was the field map, I believe it was called. I'll just change that. Click town. Okay, so normal town, we're going to right click and edit or space, click town 1, click OK, click OK, click on the stone cave, right click, select edit, autoplay BGM, click the file name, click dungeon 1, click OK, click OK, and then select field map, right click, select edit, tick off autoplay BGM, click the file name, select field 1, click OK, save, and play. And check our background music is playing. Got our lovely town music. Okay, yes, we'll go to that. That's a bit more animated music. Ooh, it's a bit creepy. Let's go beat our boss. And we win. The end. Back to new game, and here we are. Save that, and we'll go on to the next and final. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider smashing those like and subscribe buttons, as they do help with the algorithm. Now it's your turn to go make a game. See you in the next one.